Hello guys, this will be a quick video. I was at the Home Depot this morning to buy some hardware for my steering wheel. While when I get out of the store, pushing my caddy toward the truck to load my stuff, I find out that my tailpipe was hanging down, was pretty much on the ground. And what I found is a bracket broke. Let me get a little closer. There's a bracket that's supposed to be welded here on both sides of the tailpipe, and this little bracket broke because of the rust, and as you can see at the moment it's only holding by a bungee tied on the suspension. I did that because I obviously need to come back home to fix that, but I know it's not a good solution for many reasons. So what I will do, I will recycle the bracket that is going in the hole in the support on the frame, and I will modify it so I can attach the tailpipe back to it. So let's jump to it right away. So I'm back in the shop. This is the bracket. As you can see, the rust got the best of it. It's kind of very thin on both sides where it was welded on the tailpipe. As you can see, if we look that way, you see the bend or the curve where the tailpipe is sitting on the bracket. So what I will do, I will cut the bad parts or where the rust attacked the bracket, and I will weld where is my plate. I got the big plate here. I will make a bend to match the curve of the tailpipe. I will weld it right there. Okay guys, quick update here. So I've done one more modification at the bracket. I drill a hole, I put a bolt, so I will install the U-bolt or the U-clamp, and it won't be able to slip out of the bracket because of the bolt. Maybe it will have been strong without the bolt, but I don't want to take any chances, because if I lose the bracket itself on the road, it might kill someone who's following me. But also I will have to buy another bracket, which I don't think they're selling it, since it's welded on the tailpipe itself. So this is the reason why I install a bolt. Now I will go and install it on the tailpipe. Come on. No, fuck no. There you go. So this is it for now. Now you know how to fix, I was about to say temporarily, but it's permanently, because with the U-clamp it will be as strong as a new one. So this is how to fix permanently a broken bracket or broken tailpipe bracket. It took me about an hour from soldering everything, bending the plate and the paint. So just make 2 hours to make sure that the paint is very dried, and it cost me nothing but a little piece of flat bar. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day. See you later. Bye.